Every artist has their own secret places, hidden gems where inspiration flows like a gentle stream. For me, these spots are where I find my unique art stones, each one a piece of nature's artwork, waiting to be discovered. One sunny morning, I set out on my favorite nature trail. The air was crisp, and the leaves rustled softly in the breeze. As I walked, I scanned the ground, and there it was, a smooth, multicolored stone glistening under the dappled sunlight. I picked it up, feeling its weight in my hand, and instantly knew it would become part of my next piece. Later, I found myself by the river, the sound of water flowing soothing my soul. Here, I spotted a collection of stones, each shaped by years of rushing currents. I couldn't resist collecting a few. The way they reflected the light was mesmerizing, and I envisioned them in a sculpture, telling a story of resilience and beauty. But inspiration doesn't only come from nature. In the heart of the city, I wandered through urban parks, where stones are embedded in the architecture. I discovered a vibrant red stone in a forgotten corner, surrounded by graffiti. It struck me as a perfect metaphor for art in urban spaces, where beauty and grit coexist. One of my favorite activities is beachcombing. As I strolled along the shore, I sifted through sand and surf, collecting colorful pebbles and glistening sea glass. The ocean's treasures always seem to whisper stories of distant shores, inspiring me to create jewelry that captures their essence. Exploring abandoned sites adds a thrill to my adventures. Amidst the overgrown vines and crumbling walls, I found a unique stone, weathered yet beautiful. It felt like a relic from another time, perfect for my art, reminding me of the stories that linger in forgotten places. In my own backyard, the garden is a sanctuary. I've arranged stones to complement the flowers, each one a piece of nature's puzzle. The beauty of the garden inspires my work, encouraging me to create art that reflects the harmony of nature. During hikes in the mountains, I often pause to admire the rugged landscape. Here, I find stones that stand out against the rocky terrain, each one unique. They remind me of the challenges we face, and I envision them in paintings that capture the raw beauty of nature. Visiting cultural sites, I marvel at the stones that have stood the test of time. Each one, rich with history, inspires me to create art that honors the past, telling the stories of those who walked before us. These secret spots, whether in nature or urban landscapes, have enriched my artistic journey. Each stone I collect is not just a find. It's a source of inspiration, a connection to the world around me. So, I invite you to explore your own surroundings, discover your secret spots, and let the stones you find inspire your creativity. Who knows what stories await you? Here are some specific art projects you can create using collected stones. 1. Stone mosaics. Project. Create a mosaic art piece by arranging stones in a colorful pattern or design on a wooden board or canvas. Materials. Stones, adhesive grout optional. Wooden board or canvas. 2. Painted stones. Project. Paint designs, quotes, or images on smooth stones to create decorative pieces for your garden or home. Materials. Paints, acrylic or outdoor safe. Brushes, smooth stone sealant optional. 3. Stone mandalas. Project. Arrange stones in beautiful mandala patterns on a flat surface, either outdoors or framed in a shadow box. Materials. Various stones, a flat surface or frame, optional adhesive. 4. Garden markers. Project. Use stones to create unique garden markers by painting the names of plants or herbs directly on them. Materials. Stones, paint, or permanent markers, sealant, optional. 5. Stone sculptures. Project. Assemble a sculpture using stones of various sizes to create abstract or theme pieces. Materials. Stones, adhesive, tools for shaping if needed. 6. Jewelry making. Project. Create necklaces, earrings, or bracelets using smaller stones or stones with interesting shapes. Materials. Small stones, wire, string, jewelry findings, hooks, clasps. 7. Stone frames. Project. Decorate a picture frame with stones to create a natural, rustic look. Materials. Picture frame, stones, adhesive. 8. Nature-inspired wall art. Project. Create a wall hanging by gluing stones to a canvas or wooden board in a nature-themed design. Materials. canvas or wooden board. Stones, adhesive. 9. Stone coasters. Project. Turn flat stones into coasters by painting or sealing them for a functional art piece. Materials. Flat stones, paint or sealant. Felt pads, optional. 10-story stones. Project. Paint images or symbols on stones to create a storytelling set that can be used for inspiration or games. Materials. Smooth stones, paint, sealant. These projects not only allow you to showcase your creativity, but also help you connect with the natural beauty of the stones you've collected. As our journey comes to an end, I hope you've enjoyed exploring my secret spots where I find my unique art stones. Each location holds its own magic, waiting to inspire creativity and ignite the imagination. From the tranquil nature trails to the vibrant urban landscapes, every stone carries a story, a piece of nature's art just waiting to be transformed. Whether the smooth river pebble or a colorful beach find, these stones remind us of the beauty that surrounds us. I encourage you to venture into your own secret spots. Take the time to explore, collect, and discover the hidden treasures in your environment. Let these stones inspire your creativity, just as they have inspired mine. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your own experiences in the comments below. What unique stones have you found? Until next time, keep exploring and creating.